Imagine this. You walk into a room filled with people who once knew you. They glance your way, and for a moment, there's hesitation in their eyes. Their minds race, trying to place your face, your voice, your presence. And then it hits them. The quiet, insecure, unremarkable version of you gone. You look sharper, your energy is magnetic, your confidence is unshakable. You have become the version of yourself they never expected. Now, here's the secret. This isn't just a fantasy, this is a step by step strategy, a way to erase your past identity and then come back as someone completely unrecognizable. And today, I will show you exactly how to do it. But first, why disappear at all? Chapter 1, The Need to Disappear. At some point in life, we all feel stuck. Maybe people don't respect you. Maybe you have tried to change yourself before, only to slip back into old habits. Maybe you feel invisible, just another face in the crowd, another name lost in the noises. Here's what most people do: they complain, they stay the same, and they wait. But you are different. You understand the real transformation requires vanishing. Because the truth is, people will always see you as who you were, not who you are becoming. So, to change completely, you must first disappear. Chapter 2, The Vanishing Act: How to Erase Your Old Self. Step 1, The Digital Disappearance. The first place people will look for you is online. If you are serious about reinvention, you need a digital detox. Delete or deactivate social media if that's too extreme. At least erase old posts, update your profile, and go silent. Stop engaging in useless online debates. Your focus is shifting. Change your algorithm, delete distractions, and start consuming content that will actually fuel your transformation. You are not just vanishing, you are removing old digital footprints, so your next step is on fresh ground. Step 2, The Social Reset. Now comes the hardest part. You need to cut off the people who keep you stuck, the ones who doubt you, the ones who gossip instead of growth, the one who makes excuses instead of improvements. This doesn't mean ghosting everyone. It means redefining your social circle so that every person around you is someone who adds to your growth, not subtract from it. Because here's the thing: when you return as a completely different person, some people won't like it. They will miss the old you, the predictable, the insecure, easy to control version. And that's exactly why you need to disappear so you never fall back into their expectations. Chapter 3, The Silent Transformation. Now, the step 3 is to reinvent your mindset. Disappearing isn't about running away, it's about rebuilding. While you are in the shadows, you need to start shaping the new you. Start journaling, write about the person you want to be, not the person you were. Read daily books that rewire your brain for success. Visualize every single day, see the future version of you before it happens. The mind follows what it believes, and if you don't change your self image, you will always snap back to old patterns. Step 4, The Physical Transformation. Now let's talk about what people notice first. If you want to shock the world, your physical presence needs to be undeniable. Hit the gym religiously, get lean, strong, and athletic. Upgrade your style, stop dressing like your past self. Improve your posture, your walk, your eye contact. This isn't about vanity, it's about dominance. When you walk into a room, people should feel this shift in energy because the reality is, before people listen to you, they judge your presence. So make sure it speaks powerfully. Step 5, Master a skill in secret. The most powerful transformations aren't just physical. The real shock factor comes from skill acquisition. While they are wasting time, you're building skills. While they are scrolling, you are learning a high income skill. While they are distracted, you are getting dangerous. By the time you return, you don't just look different, you are different. You move differently, think differently, operate differently. You have become someone they have to respect. Chapter 4, The Comeback: How to Return as an Unrecognizable Version of Yourself. Once you have disappeared long enough to build a new identity, it's time to reintroduce yourself. Here's how. Step 6, The Quiet Return. Don't announce your comeback, let them notice. Speak less but with more power. Show progress through actions, not words. The key is mystery. People should sense the change before they even see it. And when they finally recognize you, they should struggle to believe it's really you. Step 7. Never go back. The final step is the most important one. Once you have reinvented yourself, never slip back into the person you were. Maintain your discipline, keep upgrading your skills, stay unpredictable because here's the truth. The people who respect you today will only keep respecting you if you keep evolving. So, this isn't just about a temporary reinvention. This is about becoming the person you were always meant to be, not just for 2025, not just to impress others, but for you. Now, the choice is yours. The world is filled with two types of people: the ones who stay the same, trapped in the old patterns, never leveling up, and the ones who disappear, put in the work, and return as something unrecognizable. The question is, which one will you be? Because if you follow these steps, one day you will step into a room and they will look at you like you are a ghost, like you never existed before, and in a way you didn't, because the old you is gone and the new you just getting started.